your little teeth. Wash your face, nice and neat. Healthy breakfast, that's the way to start a happy day. Stretch your arms, now jump around. Feel your feet touch the ground. Get dressed up and pack your bag. Way to school with a flag. Apples, eggs, and a glass of milk make you strong and smooth as silk. Eat it all, grow smart and tall, and share good habits with all. Good habits make you shine so bright, like little stars in morning light. Sleep on time and rise with cheer. Be brave and kind all year. Good morning, say it loud and clear. Let kindness lead all year. Laugh and play and do your best, and life will do the rest. Oh. Chugga chugga choo choo, the train is here. With a toot and a whistle, it's time to appear. We'll climb up the steps and find our seat, and watch the world go by with a happy beat. Buzz, 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 what's that sound? A honeybee is zipping around. She lands on noses, zooms past ears, then does a dance with zero fear.